the image, you can actually, it'll break it down for you. Okay. All right. So on the wrist. Okay. Okay. All right, we have our 3 ghosts. All right, so when you're gonna put this second layer, you're gonna put it, but in this case, the same thing. I'm just following the outline, and that's gonna get it straight. So it really doesn't matter how you do it, as long as you get it right. Okay, as close as possible. Extra large t-shirt. We're just gonna put this bad boy right there. Now, okay, to get it all embedded.
Peace.